Today, we will process soybeans into soy sauce.
Ready to turn the next section?
Almost. Just
Everything looks good here.
Look at the flow rate here.
It seems consistent with the targets.
Check the pressure in the main chamber. It spiked slightly.
Adjusting the flow now. It's leveling out.
everything appears stable. The cleansing cycle is holding steady.
Affirmative. The output looks good.
The granularity is still slightly off. Adjust the rollers by 2%.
Done. Let's see if that holds the consistency.
The koji looks excellent.
Agreed. The temperature is stable.
The mycelium growth here is exceptional. Yeah.
Agreed. It's fully inoculated and ready for fermentation.
The mold coverage looks excellent here.
Yes, very consistent growth across the surface.
Check the depth on this side. We need more air near the center.
Got it. The texture is improving nicely.
Ready to turn the next section?
Almost. Just finishing this row.
The aroma is strong, slightly fruity. Yes, and the texture feels consistent. It's ready.
We have the right amount here. Okay, let's check the concentration now. Looks perfect. The texture is consistent. What do you think of the aroma?
It has that distinct earthy note we are looking for. The fermentation is complete.
The aroma is strong, slightly fruity. Yes, and the texture feels consistent. It's ready.
Check the depth on this side. We need more air near the center.
Got it. The texture is improving nicely.
Ready to turn the next section?
Almost. Just finishing this row.
Make sure to get the corners thoroughly. We need even aeration.
Everything looks fully colonized here. The color and density are perfect.
Agreed. Logging the completion now.
The koji looks well distributed. Yes, the consistency is perfect. We can proceed.
Temperature is stable at 72. Adjusting the flow rate now.
Noted. Everything looks optimal for this batch.
Interior is clean. Ready for the moromi.
Confirmed. Let's seal it up.
The pressure needs to stabilize here first.
Okay, I've secured the lid tightly.
Temperature steady at 60. Are the tanks ready?
Yes, sealed and ready for the cycle.
The texture is consistent. What do you think of the aroma?
It has that distinct earthy note we are looking for. The fermentation is complete.
The labels are clear and the count is accurate.
Confirmed. The barcode scan went through smoothly.
Everything looks good here.
Seals are tight. Labels match the manifest.
Ready for shipment.
Final checks complete on this batch.
Confirmed. Move it to shipping.